Well, so there is this Malayalam film called Kappela that is been Kappela that's released on Netflix, and really, I mean, now today is a time where, regardless of the language, we can watch movies on Netflix by reading the subtitles. But really, Malayalam films in particular are so special or so different, simply since they are the very slice of life, like as in, right from the locations to the costumes that people wear. It's like the kind of outfits you would wear at home, probably, like, just so. I mean, Kapela is all about this girl who has this romance with a auto driver, and they've not really met each other, but they connect over the phone. It's like a wrong number. So, I mean, the very premise of the story is so cute, and there's a lot of Kerala that is shown to us, Wayanad, the beauty of the place. So really, watching this movie is an experience because it gives you a peek into life in small in a small town uh, place, or in a it's an experience. So try and watch it, people. It's called Kapela and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.